Music is a cool thing, right? It's a cool thing that you get to experience, and it means so much when you have those moments that you're like, damn, this shit was written for me, and I know it. But when you get to share music with somebody else, and even like write music with somebody else, that's something really special. That's like a whole language that, you don't really get to communicate with partners generally. So Alex moved in with me about a year ago, and the day he was moving out of his house, we went and sat on the front porch, and it was pretty emotional because it's like, this is his safety, his safe haven, right? After like a real nasty divorce, and this is where he could go to be safe and to live the life he wanted, right? So it's really scary when you're trusting what you're building with somebody, right? So we sat there for a minute and took it all in. And then we talked about how literally everything that we've ever chosen and everything we've ever been through has led us to the moment we're in right now. And that is something really special. All the good, all the bad, all the hard, it was all worth it. It was worth it to choose yourself and to love yourself to get to be where you are right now. So we wrote a song together called Every Lifetime, in the hope that we would find each other in every lifetime, because we were willing to go through the hard stuff to love ourselves and then to find each other. May not look the same, different body, a new name. Leave the house, find your way. We're passing through, not meant to stay. Doing good, finding rhythms, making change by the way you're living. Keep it up, I'll do it too, and trust it all works out for you. And believe me when I say I'll find you in every lifetime. Build a house, make a home, hold the moments till they're gone. Loving you and living loud, I swear that's what it's all about. Letting go of the pain and seeing all there is to gain. From the bumps in the road, the sky above, the earth below. I'm planting seeds every day, and to accept I'm okay. I'm breathing in, sighing out, being gentle in and out. Open heart, come with me. I'll find you in every lifetime. Birds of a feather, may we always stick together, holding hands as we grow, until the day it's time to go and descend into the clouds and leave our bodies on the ground. Oh, what a gift we've been given, the kind of love open heart, come with me, oh I believe you. An open heart, and come with me, and I'll believe you when you say I'll find you in every lifetime. I'll find you in every lifetime. Find you in every lifetime. Ooh, y'all shit fucks me up. I can't look at him too long because I'm like, oh god, and I will cry on this stage. I will, and we'll all just be in it together.